In this video, we're going to talk about difference thresholds. So a difference threshold is the minimum difference a person can detect between two stimuli half the time. So an example would be, or it's also called the just noticeable difference. Now, example would be someone tries to lift 5 kilograms of weight and then they try to lift 6 kilograms and they can notice the difference, and the lowest amount of difference, or the just noticeable difference, is going to be the difference threshold. Now, there's a concept called Weber's law, where for two stimuli to be perceived as different, they have to differ by a constant percentage, which means that the greater the stimuli, the greater the difference threshold will be. So let me give you an example. Let's say the just noticeable difference, or the difference threshold, between a 5 kilogram weight and a 6 kilogram weight, it's 1 kilogram, obviously. These are two different, right? Person can detect the difference between these two. If they were to pick up a 50 kilogram weight, the other one, in order to notice the difference, would have to be 60 kilograms. So the ratios have to match up. Now, sensory adaptation is diminished sensitivity as a result of constant stimulation. It allows us to focus on more informative changes in our environments without being distracted. An example would be sound of cars passing by. You notice it at first, but then if you keep constantly hearing them, then you don't really pay attention to them, and your sensitivity toward that sound becomes diminished.